this thing of accepting calling iqala ngawe, and they don't want to take into abangayazi ukuthi baphatheleni basabe. Mina ubaba mangise St John's mangabe ukhuluma ngezinto ezihlangana nento ezinamadlozi phakathi so uphumile nje totally abasakumameli uzibone so hamba uzihambela uyi1 uyohlola utshela about the process when you come back home ubatshela ukuthi kuthiwa mele ngithwase kungabikho a single person that wants to support you in the family ube wedwa.
True. Sanibingelela senimukela ohlelweni lethu le Echo.tv iThe Call babukeli bethu ngiyacela yazi angisezukuyenza intro sengizovele nje ngihlala odabeni ngifaka umuntu ofikile azokhuluma niyangithanda ngiyazi kodwa eniyangilimaza niyangishoda ngisubscribe ilalele yazi subscribe ayidingishi cent isubscribe imahala insimbi le lapha phansi khona le yansimbi le lenga unje cofu ufaka subscribe lapha sifuna ichannel ihambe manje ihambe ichannel ifike nje yabona ezingeni eish xolani mfowambatha lo niyazi ushanda undaba ezithi umthiyo usontshikazi ushoda uMantinda sinqamsotidlo madle bana gwathoza igcololo umtito yadaguda khela ucathu ngiyacela nisubscribe ngiphethe umkhulu la ugogo uvelile ukwafika la ngokudlule akhuluma kakhulu ngeindaba zokuhlola nangokulandela usiko lakho kodwa futhi uthi akabuye azodlulisa futhi okunye ngoba useke waphindwa wathinteka ngoba kubaningi abathintile enhlizweni so ngizomthethela umkhulu ke anginawo amaningi akwazi ukuthi asibingelele bese sitshela ukuthi namhlanje yini asiphathele yona umkhulu ngengisakhuluma kakhulu sengiqedile usungabachazela ukuthi namhlanje konje ubuye ngaziphi
Makhosi ayi futhi niyandithanda xa mfina nimema
sikuthandana kabi siyaqala ukuthanda umuntu kanje
yeah njengoba umkhulu wayezitshilo in the past angeke nibe mde mkhulu
yeah
nguvelile nguNomakhosi ukhanya na lady originally from the Eastern Cape who currently resides here in Johannesburg in Benoni who is a healer a mentor a life coach a PR and comms guru ongumelaphi wendabuko oliqhakazi ongumuntu othwasisayo ugobela umuntu nje olaphayo generally
yes
that's basically who I am and I think when I was in fact not even I think when I came here last time ngingaqila kakhulu ngekubaleka kokuthi ube ngumuntu rooted
yeah
being rooted means knowing your identity it means knowing that ndingumXhosakazi kanye ndingumSuthukazi ngiqhamuka kwikhayeli kanje ngizala ngabobani bona bazala ngabobani bona bezala ngabobani ekhaya mangabe kusenziwa amasiko utyi ukutye kunjani ekhaya mangabe sisenza umsebenzi othizeni siqoka ini and siqokela ini so I feel like it's very important to know where you come from culturally before you can even accept ubizo lwakho ukuthi wena ubani so it's very important to know ukuthi mina ngingubani ngiqhamuka kuphi so that namadlozi wakokwenu mabekuvakashela emaphupheni bekunikeza i-direction bekukhomba indlela on what you are supposed to do on ukuthi mele welaphe kanjani ube une clear understanding of who you are when you know who you are it becomes easy to help other people who come to you bengazazi ukuthi bangobani ekukhomba umuntu indlela ungayazi ngako bethi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili so that is who I am and probably the reason why I dealt so much on that is because I wanted people to understand intoba kubalekile ukuthi sizazi basingabobani singabantwana basembo singabantu abantsundu sibamnyama don't look at the skin color kodwa sibamnyama ekugqibeleni kosuku that is who I am
ay so madoda cha ikezwakala mkhulu ayisiyabonga ususinikile at least isithombe sokuthi kahle kahle ubani ngoba ngiyathemba ukuthi phela khona abasha la abangazi ukuthi ubani umkhulu yeah kubalekile impela kwenza ivelaphi ngoba yakusiza ukuthi la uyakhona ufike mawukuthi uyazi ukuthi ubuyapi namhlanje mkhulu kunembuzonyana futhi esithe othi sibeke emqondweni sikwazi ukuthi sikubuza yona futhi yeah mhlawumbe mkhulu ngokulapha ngathini kuhlukene yini yazi ukhulu
usucinga ngesixhosa ucinga ngesizulu uzongiqonda kahle
hey ukuthi lombuzo mkhulu yazi ngeke ngawuthinta ngokudlula
Okay.
ukuthi uthi awufani manje ngiyacabanga ukuthi iangle yokuthi ngikubuze ngawo izosuka ifane nempendulo kanti fanele ngibuze ngenye angle ukuze nempendulo ke zokufana kodwa ke ake ngithi ukuyicabanga kahle ukuthi ngikubuza kanjani ake sigine lapha kune topic esayishiyilenga lapha endabeni mase ngikubuza ngendaba zokuhlola nani wathi uhlola ngokuthi ikhandlela umoya amanzi kodwa angifemi
ngiyakhumbula
yes so ngiyabonga ungikhumbuza
Thank you.
so ngifuna ukulandelela lapha yazi ngadideka ukuthi ukufemba yini ngabe ngacula indlela yonke ukufemba
Makhosi.
ngifuna ungitshela namhlanje ukuthi yini ukufemba kahle kahle yini ukufemba ungichazele kunabe nje kahle
asiqale la mkhulu udokotela uyahamba esikolweni
yeah
ayofuna a bachelor of medicine
okay
athole isidanga soba ungugqirha
yeah
I decide upon himself or herself to say, you know what? I want to specialize. Mangabe specializer, that's why these days we have dentists, ogqirha bamazinyo. We have optometrists, ogqirha bamehlo. We have gynecologists, ogqirha abalapha ibeleko and everything that's to do with the women's system. Kube khona pediatricians, ogqirha babantwana. Kube khona abenhliziyo, etc.
Yeah.
Which means there are specializations. Ugqirha ma ufika kuye uthola ukuthi you are just dealing with ugqirha who's a general practitioner, ungugqirha wento zonke. Uzawuthi mayibona ukuthi your problem is neurological, meaning it has to do with ingqondo, your brain and basically the functions, the veins and the vibrations esengqondweni. Akakwazi yena ungenanzolo ukuze ezo zinto ezo. A doctor will write you a recommendation, a referral letter to say, I am referring you to a neurologist because your problem is neurological.
okay
The reason why I was honest in the previous interview to say, mina ngifembi. I was indirectly trying to show abanye abantu abalaphayo ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi uma ungumelaphi uyazi ukuthi there are no go areas because awukhange ukwazi ukuthi imandithi ucama kushela ukuyenza lento kodwa you do not specialize in it.
Yeah.
So that's why I was honest enough to say angifembi. Mkhulu masikhuluma ngokufemba. Ukufemba kona qala indlela yokulapha kodwa neyokuhlola.
okay
It's a 2-in-1 type of a spirit. How? Ngumuntu ozosetshenziswa ngabadala bakho ozonikezwa information about you.
yeah
Ukuthi kwenzakalani. That spirit of ukufemba is able to manifest itself into a person. Kube khona a voice that speaks through that person ekunikeza clarification or information about yourself.
okay
So iyahlola ngoba it goes deep into what is the actual problem. Ikubonise nokuthi lo muntu okuzisela le inkinga ngubani, ufuna kanjani, ufuna ukuthi uthwase kanjani, ufuna ukuthi ulaphwe kanjani. Bese liphinde lilaphe ngoba ispirit esisokufemba kunento ezizenzayo ezibangela ukuthi uma ke fika emntwini kube khona zilwane thizeni that cannot be healed with ukusetshenzwa kuphela ezifuna ukuthi umuntu afembiwe kube khona an action eyenziwayo ukuthi ezizinto ezisuswe kuwe. So ingakho ndithi ukufemba is a 2-in-1, iyahlola iyalapha at the same time. There are certain repercussions ngokuba ufembe umuntu.
Yeah.
Mangabe ufomba umuntu enezilwane and whatsoever ube wena ungaqinanga wena as a healer, there are certain implications that follow you. Esikhathini esiningi ngike ngibone ababeqeda ukufemba uthola ukuthi umuntu uyagula isikhathi esithizeni ngoba ebedilishana nemimoya, those deep demons ongakwazi ukuthi uzitheklishe mangabe umuntu umhlola. Ezazinto lami imoya lezazilwane ongakwazi ukufikelela kuzo uyazilapha whilst ufemba.
Yeah.
So ukufemba ukuhlola nokulapha at the same time. Angeke ngize ngibe ne drama ngikudemonstrate ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani, but it is something that a person does because they want to be healed, they need direction and bafuna direct communication with abantu bakokwabo. Mangabe umuntu efemba impela isiphiwo sokufemba enaso, mangabe idlozi lakho likhuluma isiSwahili, mele ukuthi make kufemba lo muntu lo wakhuluma isiSwahili.
Yeah.
Mangabe ulidlozi lirasta ngenza umzekelo, akhulume the Rastafarian language ahoy German mele ukuthi akhulume ngalelo hlobo lelo dlozi lelo has to manifest itself through lo ofembayo liveze exactly who that person is speaking the very same language authentically libe lukulapha at the same time so it's a 2-in-1 kukulapha nokwenzani nokuhlola mara mawuqeda ukufemba kuyanyanzeleka ukuthi uhambe uyohlambulula because ngitextint izithinto izinto ezingathintwayo lapho so lo ofenjwayo mele ukuthi ayohlambulula akwazi ukuthi alapheke ngokuphelele because those things were identified so ikufemba is an identification process ukuthi inkingi ikuphi ibangwa yini iza ngobani kanjani ufuna ukwenzani bese usetshenzwe ke after
okay
that's what it is
ayichaza man yo ngathi umisi right mkhulu okay nangu umuntu lana uyasebenza imali ayihlali akaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa uyasebenza impela thola ukuthi uhola no 15,000 10,000 20,000 kodwa imali ayihlali so kwenzakaleni yini ukudla kuyadura kwenzakalani petrol khuphukile kodwa phela vet kodwa ngokwenu nje ngokomoya uthini umoya nina lapho isimo somnotho
asiqale la imali mangabe ingasetshenziselwa towards things that are going to develop you as a person inyanzelekile biphele emoyeni abantu abadala there's something that we lack as human beings not just as healers we don't understand the power of gratitude kukubonga don't understand the power of ukubonga lithi iBhayibheli ethembeka kokuncane so that you can be given bigger blessings
okay
mangabe sinako lokuncane it's very important to give back ngokwesingesi siyibiza corporate citizenship mangabe ngomuntu wezinto zesintu xa ngabe usikelelwe you give back because when aqala there are people that helped you ukuthi ube kule ndawo kuyo kunama 10 rand nama 20 rand ebekhiqika to liberate your life and therefore when you make it as well it's not a must but it's human bubuntu it's humanity ukuthi ubuyisele back okuhle ngokuhle
okay
now the problem that we have as human beings is that mangabe sesikelele I'll make an example uya apply awuthola imsebenzi you've got qualifications ulokhu uya apply awuthola imsebenzi uya enyangeni uyocela uncedo man I'm applying but I'm not getting any positive responses ndingenza kanjani inyanga yakuhlola and finds the problem to whatever it is le oyizele njengoba ngitshilo kule previous interview ukuthi kuyahlolwa kuqala
yeah
so inyanga yakutshela ukuthi iproblem yakho yokuthi ubukhe wasebenza and you were earning this much but you were not giving gratitude to your ancestors ubungenazo instances whereby you go home uyohlaba uyobonga ubungakuthi ubone ukuthi khona amathuna abogogo nabokhokho ase adilika ukuthathe a portion of your money uyolungisa lawo mathuna lawo because they form part of your lineage mawubona abantu abahluphekayo in the family ukholwa ukuhlutha wedwa you are not concerned about other people so lezo zinto ezozinqabula imali because you are going against ubuntu and amadlozi mabebona ukuthi uclever bayakuphuca onkosi yamayaphuca amadlozi bayebona ukuthi you are a very ungrateful person bayakuphuca because you are not giving back. It's important that when something happens to you, you go home. Utatomkhulu wami normally says xa ungumntwana uqala usebenza, it's not a must, but it's something that is done. Imali yakho yokuqala kufuneka ikube khona oyipha umzali. When you are doing that, you are planting a seed, uyatyala. Utyala imbewu ozothi uzawuphinde nawe uyiharvest. So when amadlozi see that you do not plant any seed towards showing thankfulness, bayakuphuca. The reason why a lot of people have money but they don't know what they are doing with their money, it's because they are using their monies towards something that does not benefit abanye abantu okanye ukubonisa amadlozi ukubonga. Ubuyile kule nyanga uyofuna uncedo. Now that's so uncedakele kuthiwe kuwe your solution lies on ukwenza imisebenzi yokubonga constantly ekhaya or uyokwenza nje igongqana lebhekile. Bize nje abantu omakhelwane wenze nje ibhekile kuyabongwa. You don't do that. Obviously imali yakho izophela endleleni.
Okay.
So to answer your question, us not being able to keep our money sustained, it's being ignorant to knowing in Dogbana we need to show gratitude. That is why. Thola ukuthi abanye abantu banobizo. Umuntu is still delaying in terms of accepting their calling. Lokhu uyahala respectable incomes emsebenzini. Mara uhola namhlanje kusasa kana 9 rand. sekayalokolokoza phesithubeni. Why? Because you do not want to obey. So not being obedient emadlozini bakwenza yenza ukuthi amadlozi akuphucele into uyithanda nje uthanda imali.
Yeah.
So bakuphuca yona ke.
Jo, hayi ngiyezwakala umkhulu yazi nginovalo namanje ngiyasaba. Angaze ngawuhamba umcimbi wembuzi since ngazalwa. Nginovalo nginokuzwa ukuthi umcimbi wembuzi isikhathi esiningi usuku unanokungcola. Akusi kahle kuba ngcono ukuthi umcimbi wani wenkomo kodwa wembuzi uba nokungcola.
Kanjani?
Angazi noma iqiniso lelo.
Okay. Hi. Mhlambi ndiyabhideka. Mhlambi because we have differences when it comes to language. Maybe that's why ndingakutholi sisikahle ukuthi uyakuphi.
Ukuthi ngiyakuphi.
Umcimbi wombuzi njani? Because imbuzi can be used for different reasons. So ngifuna understand ukuthi mawuthi umcimbi wombuzi wokwenzana. I want to be where you are.
Uyazi okay ake ngibeke kanje lento kuzizozwakala. Mkhulu kunezinye izinto esilandela athi kunokuhlupheka esikulanda thina kuyihlalele le sikulande sikubeke la. Njengoba ngisho umcimbi njengani ake ngithi nje nathi inkukhu esigangeni uyahamba lapha esigangeni uyozingela noma mhlawumbe uyoyilandela inkomo ufica inkukhu lapha esigangeni inenalithi nezintambo ungayithatha lo nkukhu uyoyidla.
No, you can't.
You can't. Ngoba kunobumnyama ade benzwa la no.
Yebo.
Le nkulumo engizoyisho la noma le nkulumo engiyiveza ngifuna wona uyihlaziye bese ivula omunye umuntu umqondo. Ngoba njengoba sisho ukuthi kunomuntu ophatha imali kodwa akayiboni ishonisa uyishonaphi. Kwase isikhathi siyakulanda ukuhlupheka kuhleli le. Ngiyena ngikhule ngazi ukuthi imbuzi nginamanje ngiyasaba angihamba umcimbi unless makuthiwa kuzoba nomsebenzi kubikwa umsebenzi ngebhokho angithi ibhokho imbuzi.
Ibhokwe.
Ibhokho. Kuthiwa kubikwa umsebenzi wenkomo. Kodwa makuthiwa nje umcimbi nje oyimele wembuzi qinqo ngeke ngizothiwa kusuke yazi angazi ngibe kanjani yazi lesigisi
Okay, ithi ngizame. Look imbuzi ijulile. Asiqale nje lapho.
Yep.
Just the creation of imbuzi. Ijulile kakhulu. And 99.9% of the time imbuzi angeke nje ivese ihlinzwe ekhaya kuthi kwenziwa ipata. Ngeke nje ubone ukuthi ekhaya kuhlanganiswe kunomuntu ogreda ihlinzwe imbuzi celebration. There's always a particular reason associated with lo mbuzi leyo. Ingako ngiqale ndathi imbuzi ejulile.
Yeah.
Ngokwesixhosa masenza imbeleko kusetshenziswa imbuzi. Makubikwa ekhaya kusetshenziswa imbuzi. Makusenzwe inguquko kusetshenziswa imbuzi. Kwelicala lethu lomnguni nomndawo. Mangabe kuhlanjulula umuntu kunezinto thizeni ezibophile. Ukuphunyukela neziswe and whatsoever kusetshenziswa imbuzi. But imbuzi leyo at the same time azonixolela abantu abalandelela izinto ndingazilandeleli mina. Iyakwazi ukuthi nayo isetyenziselwe phezukoganga njengoba uchilo ukuthi mangabe uthola inkukhu ezihambelayo esigangeni ifakwe inalithi bese uyayidla noma uyidla. So I cannot run away from the fact that kunokuphakamisa angifuni ukuhlaba ezinye inyanga angithandi ukuhlaba ezinye inyanga mara kunokuphakamisa thizeni okwazekayo ukuthi kwenziwe ngembuzi. Especially kubantu abaphethe isikhwama esimnyama. So that's the reason why ngivumelana nawe mawuthi wena okunye ukuhlupheka sizilandele thina ngokwethu because uzofika kulowo muzi kuhlinziwe awazi even the reason behind ukuthi bekuhlinzwe leyo mbuzi leyo. So uyafika wena you are partaking of that uyadla wenzani ukuthi uyethenga imbuzi kunenyanga ikutshela ukuthi ithenga imbuzi ingazange ichazele kahle ukuthi siyithengela le mbuzi ngoba senza uA no B no C. Ayazi ukuthi khona abantu abathweswa izinto abangazaziyo ukuthi bathweswa zona. Uthola ukuthi umuntu is falling into a trap akayazi ukuthi they are falling into a trap. Utshela ukuthi makathenge inani kanti kunomgodi afakwa ku yena engekho aware. If you are not curious or if you do not value your money or your time, you will not ask uzokwenzela into uyitshelwa, you won't want to understand. So siyayilandela ukuhlupheka ngokwethu vele ngongamameli umoya ukuthi uthini nokuthanda izinto nje generally as people. So yes, imbuzi ingasetshenziswa towards ukulunga, but at the same time nokuganga nokuphakamisa okuyenye indlela iyakwazi ukuthi yenze. So ngizama ukuphendula kanjalo ukuthi angikwazi ungena nzulu kulelo lizwe lelo, kodwa ke iyenzeka ukuthi imbuzi ingasetshenziselwe ukulungile. Benezinto ezithize nezenziwayo ngayo ezingahlambulukile phambi kobusoba mina.
So okay mkhulu yazi lo mbuzo ngeke ngishiye. Ngicela ubuze mkhulu, ungathiwa sani ngempumelelo yakho noma ngaphandle kokuseka umndeni wakho?
Okay. Abantu abaninzi mkhulu kuyenzeka ukuthi bathwase without being supported by their families. Uthola ukuthi umuntu make ixoxa lento ekhaya ukuthi mina ngiyaphupha, mina kunezinto engiziboniswayo, mina ngibona lokhu nalokhu, mina ngiphupha lokhu nalokhu, mina indlela yami ngiyibona imeli ukuthi ihambe kanje. Uthola ukuthi there is no one in the family one idea yalento ukhuluma ngayo. Masenze umzekelo sithi ifamily yabantu abakholwayo kuphela. Mangabe ukhuluma ngezinto ezihlangana nento ezinamadlozi phakathi, so uphumile nje totally abasakumameli nokukumamela. Because they don't have an understanding of ukuthi mawukhuluma ngezinto ukhuluma ngani. Bafuna ukusa kwabathandazeli bayenzeni bakuse ko St John's. Mina ubaba mangise St John's athi ngiyophothula ngazi ngiyokwenzana because anga understand ukwenzakalani. So in a setup like that uthola ukuthi in the family no one is supporting you, ngume wedwa. Uthola ukuthi kwezinye indawo ugobela ujwayele ukuthi efamily yakhe he's the very first person ukuthwasa. So kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi when you go to the family nobody knows that this thing of accepting calling iqala ngawe, and they don't want to take into abangayazi ukuthi baphatheleni basabe. Fear of the unknown. Thola ukuthi bazokutshela ukuthi hayi le asiboni kahle. But because isilonda sitya wena or isihlangu sitya wena, or nguwe that is having sleepless nights constantly, uzibone so hamba uzihambela uyi1 uyohlola utshela about the process. When you come back home ubatshela ukuthi kuthiwa mele ngithwasa, kungabikho a single person that wants to support you in the family, ube wedwa. Two. Angisho zihlupha wena lezi zinto. And unfortunately uzimemanga. There's no one that look, I have once said in a survey, can somebody that says to me uthe eqeda ukutshela ukuthi they have to accept their calling washesha wavuma phakamisa isandla, there's not even a single hand. Mangabe ubizwe ngempela angeke uvese udecide ukuthi cha mina ngifuna ubizo. Ayonto efunekayo, you don't like it. Thina sikhule abantu bethwala inkukhu enhloko bebabi behamba ngezicathu ngeenyawo nje butho and all of that. Nobody just decides, oh okay, I know mina ngiyayifuna lento, yayibona. So it becomes difficult. It becomes totally difficult. So ingako ndithi kahle into ehlangane nokwamkela ubizo yinto ibuye ijule kakhulu, ngoba mangabe ifamily yakho ubona ukuthi ayivumi uzozihambela. Kunabantu that we have had ceremonies zabo njengabantu abathwasisayo, thola ukuthi there's not even a single representation from the family, umuntu abe yedwa from the beginning to the end. Thola ukuthi uzofumana only the support from the parents or from the family mhlambe ngamalanga okugqibela, or not at all. Athi mase iphumile mase beqala ubona iziphumela zokuthi kwenzakalani, kube ngona babonayo ukuthi chini lento kanti kuthiwa idlozi khona impela. So you can go through the journey successfully without being supported for as long as you know what you want. Is it emotionally draining? Yes, it's not nice. Akumnandi ungasupportwa mkhulu, especially mawucabanga ukuthi ulandele ubizo labokhokho nabogogo, ufela abanye abantu abangakhange bona bathatha ubizo, because the truth is that thina siyathwasa ngoba abazali bethu babaleka. Basitshela ukuthi angeke, batensa bathi so, they stepped their foot down and said never. That's why today we are like this. I'm not going to say we are a cursed generation, but automatically it actually means that we are a cursed generation, because bangabe nami ngingafuni ukuthi ngamkele lo libizo, shuthi umntana wami ngiyam-applyela ngifaka application form for yena ukuthi izizukulwana okanye izulana zami ngeke zithola ukulala ngesimanga sami. So umuntu can go through the journey successfully without being supported, but ayikho. It's very emotionally draining. I'll go back to my words and I said a healer has got to transition from being a healer and become someone that can hold a therapy session. Manje umntana onjalo seyisesikhupheni ngama seyithwasa kuwe, uloku uyabona ifamily yabanye bayeza bazombona bamphathele kumnandi, bamphethe ama KFC, bamphathele ama-ini. How do you feel when ayizwa umntwana ukuthi akhona omunye umuntu oyi1 okusupportayo? Of course it's not nice. Yazi kunabantu abakwazi ukuthi balahla abantwana mkhulu. Umuntu nje uthola ukuthi umntana nje umgcina ngalelo langa akaphinda ambone. It's because akomnandi mkhulu, it's not nice. It also affects your journey, of course, because you don't have the support. Akomnandi umuntu mayibloka azobona ifamily yakhe lokho kumnandi in yena ufumana support wena usifumana, it's not nice.
Lento ifana sejele nje le kahle.
Exactly. Exactly, it's initiation school. So mangabe wena unga-support, it's not nice, but it is possible ukuthi uthwase ungakhange usupport uzimele wedwa geqe ngoba into itya wena. Especially when you have funds. It becomes more advantageous to a person that has funds.
Yeah.
Umuntu ozimele financially ongadependanga emntwini. It becomes very easy because you're not going to seek counsel for anyone. Awuzucela emntwini. Uzothi mangena umkholo wakho, whatever source of income onayo, uqedele into zephehla. So it is possible, but it's not nice.
Okay. Okay, mkhulu, laba abathwasayo mabe lokhu nje yini beyisabe kangaka impilo emva kwephehla. Laba
abathwasayo.
Eyibayisaba impilo.
Umkhulu, ephehlweni you are protected. Umbuzo wakho nzamtheklisha in a very different angle. Ephehlweni uvikelwe.
Yeah.
Kunomama kunobaba, kanye kunobaba kanye kunomama. Izinto ezenzekayo zasemhlabeni zangaphandle xa usephehlweni uvikelekile. You are protected, you are shielded.
Okay.
Ukhona an umbrella that covers you. Ne covering. Ngokwesizalwane sithi it's a covering and a father, umuntu ongutata okanye ongumama okukhokhele.
Okay.
Being covered is nice because whatever problem that you have, you know that yes, you will have a clue on how to solve it, but uyazi ukuthi ugobela ma unomtshela inkinga okanye uhlasela umuntu othile emsebenzini okanye uhlasela umuntu othile obukhula naye okanye indoda yakhe ihlaselisa ngabantu, whatsoever the case is, you are protected. There's instant solutions. Kunemithi yonke indawo, siyagadla siyenzani, siyakhotha siyenzani, back to the center in futhi uyalandelela because nabanye abantu bayayenza wenza u1. Of course ingxaki zethu asifani, but ngizama ukuthi ukwi setup yokuthi singabantu sisesikolweni sonke. Look, iphehlo is a hospital. Kukho ulapha abantu bagula khona. Iphehlo is an institution, isikolo. Kulapho kufundwa khona. Iphehlo is a home. Abantu ababona ukuthi kahle ikhaya lethu kuko la ngoba lapha basiphuma khona, we are not given the right or the correct amount of love and care by abazali bethu. Phinde ngibuyele emuva. Abantu baye basabe ukuba babuyele ezweni lakwazweni, which is where everything happens. Because lapho sozimele wedwa. The day ugobele kushiya endumbeni yakho esithi bye bye ephahla ehamba, so wedwa. Mangabe uva into ezigijima phezulu kwendlu amagundwane nako konke okwakho. Mangabe abantu sebegadla benzani ngokwakho. Lezi mfundiso uzifundisiwe the time uthwasa. How active are you to apply them in your real life? Angisho nibune covering ephehlweni manje sozimele wedwa. And you need to make it a point that you apply all of those rules and regulations and the tools obunikezwe zona ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ukhophe ngisho kuphi ezweni lakwazi. Also abantu ngebayeke ukugadla. Ngikhulu inyanga ziyagadlana. Yagadlana inyanga.
Niyashayana kanti futhi mkhulu.
Kulo siyashayana kakhulu.
Hayibo.
Into evamise kakhulu umona.
Wakathatha indlela.
Why kwasibanibani kune streamline yabantu? Why umkhulu enabantu abangaka bamlandelayo? Why njalo yena ahlala eFort esemfuleni? Why enamathwasa? Why nani? Siyagadlana mkhulu. Siyagadlana. Abanye bethu sithe masiqeda ukuthwasa basithesta kahle. Siqeda ukuthwasa basithesta kahle ukuthi ngaba sithwasile impela onjani. Besigadla. So such fears, they become possible. You become fearful because awazi ukuthi ilizwe likuphatheleni. Also another fear would be angisho wonke umuntu une mentality ukuthi mawuthwasile mele ulaphe. Senokwenzeka ukuthi kanti awukhanga ucama kushela ukuthi ulaphe. Omnye une fear yokuthi yo Nkosi yami nje manje spende imali engaka ephehlweni ngaba mina ngizohamba ngiyosebenza bese leyo mali iyabuya yonke. I'm here to answer that question manje sengikhuluma nabaphulaphula. It's not everyone othwasayo kumele ukuthi ahambe ayolapha abantu. It's not everyone. Abanye abantu bathwasa ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi izilonda thizeni ezibophile ekhaya zikwazi ukuthi zilapheke. So you cannot thwasa and say imali yami yonke izobuya. Senobuya. Sonobuya futhi in multitudes and multitudes. Itimezeke kaningi ngesimanga sokuthi idlozi lakho likuphile vele when it comes to insebenzo. Kunomunye engimaziyo mina mkhulu waye wathwasa uNkulunkulu wamvulela ibusiness yebakery. Akabake manje ubuya ngokulala. Unama orders all over. Why idlozi lakhe lalimfuna ukumvulela when it comes to ibusiness.
Yeah.
So it's also important to know ukuthi nje mangithwasa mina idlozi lami lifuna ukuthi lingivamise kuphi okanye lingiphakamise kuphi. So we basically have a fear of the unknown because it's not defined. This fear is not defined. Siyasaba nje ukuthi life after iphehlo lisiphatheleni.
Ukuthi kuzowenza.
Mangabe benginebhadi lokuthi beningathola umuntu engizohlekisana naye mkhulu kumna akho mnandi ukuba yishimana okanye akho mnandi ukuthi ungabi namuntu odlala naye okanye ohlekisana naye as a person. Of course there are boundaries because as a healer you must have boundaries. Yeah. I'm not saying a person must run from every Jack and Jill. But you ask yourself questions around, okay, now that ndiphethile, am I going to be blessed with umuntu ke ongizophathisana naye kahle? Masithi mhlawumbe bekunenkinga yokuthi ubungathola abantwana. Now that manje sengithwasile, uNkulunkulu namadlozi azongibabalana ngaleyo nto leyo. So it's basically questions around what is it that you're going to see differently happening empilweni yakho mangabe sewuqedile uthwasa.
Yeah.
And also you fear ukuthi mangiphuma ngaphandle inkosi yami because eliphehlweni ungekho mnandi. Indlela yasephehlweni mkhulu ayikho mthebelele. Inzima kakhulu. Julile phehlweni inzima kakhulu. Personality ingakwazi ukuthi change, also adjusting to different personalities. Uyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bakhuluma kanje kahle kahle uba nginteme ephehlweni. Ngithanda ukwenza lo mzekelo lo. Phehlo will humble you. Oh my God, iphehlo will humble you. Mkhulu liza kwenza ube itapete. Banye abantu bagxisha abaphezulu kwakho. Because basusa that giant. Lo muntu bekayitshela ukuthi yimi you become humble. So yakuthokozisa, yakuthozamisa, uyathozama kakhulu, ube ngumuntu ophansi. So we have fears of the unknown mkhulu ukuthi masifika kwilizwe la ngaphandle, are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? Are we going to make a difference? You are more concerned also about the impact that you're going to make to the society. Abantu impela uzobalapha impela abantu okanye bowulapha because ubukisiphehlo set up yephehlo apho ungenzanga khona kahle ukuthi ugobela comes and rectifies your mistake. Akho umuntu rectify ke nguwe embuzweni.
Hey, sengiyasibona isizathu ukuthi yini bethuka kangaka Nkosi amaziyakhala laphana. Manje kona umkhulu njoba ukuvezile ukuthi unamathwasa wathi 15 nabazukulu abawu2. Ubudlelwane bakho buka kanjani nawana namathwasa akho ke? Relationship yakho.
Ngihlala ngithi mina mangabe ukwazi ukuthi ulwe with a sibling umuntu ozalwa naye. How much more umuntu ongakhanga khule nawe impilo yakho yonke ufike sele unamazinyo aphelele. Clashes according to different perceptions will always be there. Singabantu asicabanga ukufana. And izinto asiziboni ngendlela ekuyiyo. But I feel like as a leader you must be charismatic. Mandithi charismatic ngizama ukuthi be that type of a leader that shows people direction. Yithi kubo masenzeni kanje ngoba babona wena na usenza ngolo hlobo.
Yeah.
That sustains a relationship. How? Because you are someone that leads by example. Lento bacebisa yona into nawe abakubonayo ukuthi uyayenza.
Yeah.
So I'd say my relationship with abantwana bamedlozi, mkhulu abantwana bamedlozi ngiyabathana kakhulu inhliziyo yami yonke. Futhi nginesikhwele ngabo. Just like any other kids bayaphambuka endleleni. Ngive kabuhlungu because I'm human at the end of the day. But mele ukuthi ngisuse leyo nto leyo and wear the coat of being a leader. Ngikwazi ukuthi ngibabuyisele.
Yeah.
We have constant communication kunye nabo. Siyakhuluma, siyathandana, but we respect each other. They do know which boundaries not to cross. Umntana wami wesibini ke wayichomi yami, my childhood friend.
Okay.
It was very difficult for her to understand that now uchomi wami sekangugobela wami kanjani. And ubuchomi obo now had to die because manje mase ngikuthwasa indaba yethu yoba sibe ngochomi phelile. Angeke ngisaba noba kuyenzeka sikwenye indawo manje naxa uphumile ephehlweni ngeke sikwazi ukuthi siqhubeke sibe ngochomi. Ngingubaba akho ngumntwana nami and that's it. But what's important is constant communication. So I have a good relationship kunye nabo. There's mutual respect. They know that ngingubaba. But just like any other people, abantu bayaphambuka endleleni. Nami njengomuntu wenyama nginokuphambuka endleleni. So there is a fair relationship that I think is good enough. So kunjalo mkhulu.
Hey, hayi khona kezwakala. Hey, kodwa ke hey akulula ukuphatha abantu abadala.
No, it's not. And most of them badala.
Bavuka ngoba isikhathi.
Mkhulu kahle kahle isikhathi esisokuvuka ephehlweni ngo3. Kodwa ke ngenxa yobu fairness bethu singabogobela would say wake up at 4:30 ngoba ngo5 mele ukuthi kudliwe ibhodlo. Kodwa ke 50% of the time mele ukuthi vele kuvuke ngo3 kuvuswa inkukhu.
Okay.
Ukuvusa inkukhu kuvuka ekseni, bavusela amadlozi, bavusela amaphande, bayichaza ukuthi babo bani bafihlelwe batrain. So kuyahlukana ukuthi kwenze njani nini.
Yeah.
So between 3 and 4:30 mangibe ngolohlo.
Okay.
But vele inkukhu iyavuswa ekseni. Ngeke uvuke ngo8 mkhulu khohlwa ngeke.
Hawu mina ekhaya ngivuka ngo8 phela.
Wena mkhulu, kokwena kho sephehlweni kokwena.
Cha phela mina ngithethe njengoba nje ngisuka ngithithwe ekhaya kamnandi.
Ushuthi ayikho into esizoyilapha ke. Sizodlala senze ibhayishoza.
Hayi kuzima lapha. Manje kungani nomkhulu esikhathi samanje kube abantu besimame kakhulu manje ngiyabheka abathwasayo.
Thina singabantu abamama sinesibindi. We're not cowards asingomagwala.
Kahle kahle. Nembokodo.
Sizimbokodo. We don't fear pain. Bantu abangoba bangamagwala.
Eish.
You guys are cowards.
Yeah ne.
Niyayoyika into ebhlungu. But my problem is that you guys act very strong and you are not strong. A woman is a cement that keeps particles that are separated because of their character. They are able to put those particles that are separated together without making noise. Abantu abangomama badaliwe ukuthi bayimele imfaso. uWinnie Mandela xa uNelson Mandela ebanjiwe eTilongweni. Wayibanjiwe eTilongweni kuphela, there isn't much that he was doing. uWinnie kept running the race. Kahle kahle ngicabanga ukuthi yena umuntu ekumele ukuthi wayewahola i-country isizwe nguye. Because she was the one owayibhizi ezabalaza. We are people of power. We are people that are not afraid of taking risks. And siyakusaba ukuwa. Jemani nanithi indoda idlala namhlanje kusasiphinde ivuke. Thina siyakusaba ukuwa.
Andidali ke nokulala nini.
Ingakho uthola ukuthi esikhathini esiningi when the calling comes to us, sishesha sithatha ubizo lwethu. Thina singamagwala. Kuthiwa ke kulogwala kuyahlekwa, kwakuboti kuyaliwa. Nina nisenkingeni ngoba you guys take time. Nina nifuna ude niqobude ngemoto phansi nigoqoze nibe crippled up until you take a decision to say hayi ngizolithatha ubizo lwami.
Yeah.
Thina nje one thing eyenza ukuthi ubomi bakho be miserable, eyenza ukuthi something that tampers with your peace, you want to get rid of it now. Asifuni into ephazamisayo. We are naturally like that. And amadlozi abona ukuthi kahle kahle abanye abona abantu abanesizothe who will bring isithunzi into the fraternity of ubunyanga abantu abangomama.
Yeah.
But neqiniso siyalimela. Hayi siyalimela Nkosi yami.
Anilokhu niyaleceleni.
No.
Futhi nje uselapho kumkhulu yazi bona nala nebhedlela moto yabheka. Abantu abalanda kakhulu treatment laphana nabachekayo yini ayithi sasaba ukusheka igazi.
Niyasaba mkhulu angazi ukuthi yenziwa yini lento leyo. Niyasaba.
Kusho yini sidaliwe?
Hayi, ninamaqhinga. Ngiyadlala.
Manje namaqhinga. Manje awusho ke mkhulu. Ungasithuthukisa kanjani nje mhlambe njengomelaphi? Angazi mhlawumbe ukuthuthuka ngingabeka mhlawumbe kuphi? Mhlawumbe kuba sezingeni eliphezulu ngicabanga kanjalo. Kodwa nje lo mbuzo uyangifikela ukuthi ngibuza ukuthi ungasithuthukisa kanjani nje umlaphi wendabuko?
Balaphi. Times have changed. Siphila kwi-4th industrial revolution, kwi-21st century. Izinto ezazisenzeka emandulo azisenzeki ngohlobo zenzeka ngalo.
Okay.
Ngihlala ngithi we have only heard of stories where we're told into kuba kunomlapho othile or kunomuntu owayihlutshwa impilo wangena elwandle wahlala iminyaka yayi4 waphuma enensimbi ethwasile eqedile. It's stories, it's hearsays. Azange ngezwe kunomuntu kuthiwa yena vele impela wayenza leyo nto leyo because nawe abantu bakutshela lezo story lezo mawubabuza ukuthi ubani lo uzothi hayi nami ngeva kusithwa akabikho reference ebonakalayo kanye evakalayo. But we are not saying that has never happened. Probably it has, because those were the days of miracles.
Yebo ngo
umkhulu ababantu bakudala bebekwazi ukuphila ngendebe endala mandibize ngolohlobo. Abantu babemkhwaza uqamata kube kanye imvuliwe phansi.
Yebo.
How were they doing it? There's something that they were mastering. But asisekho lapho manje ngayithandazela imvula amkhulu kuphela 14 days ngifaste ngibe manzi ngeke kunethe
unyaka kuphela
ngeke mkhulu khohlwa
because
izinto
sekuningi phela manje
sekuyinto ifana mkhulu with the issue of isithembu. Back in the days isithembu was relevant
kube silula.
Indoda is the one that's given a vision with many helpers. iBhayibheli malikhuluma ngomuntu wesifazana lithi helper umuntu owutata as a vision barrier.
Yeah.
Abafazi babenceda lo baba ukuthi le vision ikwazi ukuthi ifezeke. And there was no jealousy between women. Mara manje when you talk about isithembu
ayingeke
antsho siyagadlana singabafazi kepha umunye ofuna ukuthi omunye makamshare nomunye sinomona futhi asifuni. Manje inkinga leyo ngizama ukuthi balaphi times have changed.
Yeah.
Kubalekile ukuthi ezumlaphi understand ukuthi you are a brand. Where you go, how you talk, how you represent yourself, the language you speak,
Yeah.
the way in which you approach people, the way in which you handle conflict, it says a lot about you.
Yeah.
A brand is very mindful of what they do. A brand does not just talk. Because i-brand iyazi ukuthi kunesikhathi sokumamela kunesikhathi sokuphendula.
Yeah.
I-brand iyazi ukuthi when I enter into the presence of people I must be clean. Iyazi ukuthi ubu clean bona qala bulibaso. Uba ngumuntu ohlambekile onuka kamnandi kulibaso kona qala.
Yeah.
Ukuba nendumba ehlanzekile eklinwe kahle ngiyayithanda futhi nebuilding yeni kushayina naphansi.
Awuchaze yabonga
Such
nkosi yami.
spaces are very much attracting to the eyes of people. Look, there are people who are crazy about cleanliness abangafuni nje into emdaka. Amabaso amancane lawo representing yourself. Ibasho ukuthi lapho uyakhona nkosi makubonakala. Be clean. I'm not saying wear expensive clothes. Ungaqoka la small street mkhulu. Kodwa uthola ukuthi you are always represented uqoka kahle ngesizotho uhloniphekile. Ufanelekile. Futhi nawe you are proud of yourself. So public image is very important mangabe ufuna uba inyanga eqotho. Number 2, working authentically. Ukusebenza ngokweqiniso.
Okay.
Being able to say lena into angikwazi ukuyenza angikhona ukuyenza. Iyo into that makes people to be sure ngestory sakho because you are someone who's real. Ungumuntu oneqiniso, ngumuntu ohamba ngeqiniso. I-referrals zona qala mkhulu they work hand in hand because bangabantu bebona ukuthi ulapha ngeqiniso. Bese babuyele kuwe. The more referrals, the more you grow as a healer. Bayatshelana ngawe. You become a healer okanye inyanga eyaziwayo edumile. Mkhulu, also making use of social media. Angithandi kakhulu ukukhuluma nge-social media. Bengithanda in the past ukukhuluma ngayo mara manje angisathandi. Angithandi because we also take advantage of social media platforms.
Yeah.
There are certain sacred things that are not supposed to be seen by the public. Esiziveza itansi zinyanga. Thina sicabanga ukuthi emiqondweni yethu siyamarket. Sesimarketa nezinto engamelanga ukuthi sizimarket.
Yo.
Kunezinto mkhulu ezisemfihlakalweni. Izinto engamelanga ukuthi zaziwe ngabantu. Esikhathini samanje sesiyaziveza ebantwini ngoba sifuna ukuthi si attract numbers. There are certain things that zijulile. Mkhulu, I've got no problem. I'm not against people who consult abantu over a live broadcast, a live TikTok or live Facebook. Anginankinga. Mara what if kuleyo broadcast leyo kunomuntu olalela omazwe lo muntu bese uzomlalela inkinga zakhe ukuthi zithini? Bese uyamazela ukuthi inkinga zakhe zithini? Kunezinto okumele ukuthi singazikhulumi phecelezi phambi kwabantu ngoba zijulile. So kahle mkhulu ngako ndithi angisathanda ukukhuluma nge-social media because we're taking advantage of the social media. But at the same time, social media exposes us because mangabe ungumuntu who sticks to beautiful content, ukhuluma izinto ezakha abantu, ukhuluma izinto ezokuthi abantu baqondise endleleni.
Yeah.
It's possible ukuthi attract abantu vele beze kuwe ukwazi ukuthi ubasise. But make it a point that lento oyipostayo mayibe yiyo. As a person who did PR and comms, mkhulu awunoloku uposta ama-joke abantu angazi abantu abadabukelwa yini into nje ezibhayizayo on your social media platform. Kodwa uyazi ukuthi le social media platform yakho ufuna ukuthi abantu mabekubheka babone a good reference of your work. You must be mindful of what you post. Mkhulu mina ungabheka manje ku social media yami. Noba umuntu ucrack i-joke ngeke ungibone ngifake ku social media yami. Because not that that joke was not funny, I did not laugh at it, but ifunani ku profile yami because the profile yami iyo engithengisayo before abantu bangibone ukuthi ngibani. Even let's talk about these healers that are also career based. Of course, if you are applying for a particular job, a company will look at your social media page. If bafumana lezo zinto lezo ngeke uqashwe mkhulu. And you think it's a case kanti nguwe umuntu that is bombarding your social media pages with information that is not necessary. So being a brand, like I say, what you say, how you say it, how you present yourself, how you speak, how you present yourself says a lot about you. So mangabe singamaster lezo zinto lezo is healers would attract people. Hospitality is also very important. Abama befika kuwe, they must feel as if ungeke abahlola nobahlola, ungeke abathinta nobathinta ngesandla sakho. They must feel as if this person is about to make a difference. Makube khona into abatshalayo ukuthi lapha ngizophola.
Yeah.
Your place must be clean, like I said. Also, landela. There are organizations that I'm not going to call by name because I don't want to infringe other organizations. As malungelo wabalaphi. You must comply to those rules and regulations. Abantwana babesephethweni mabakwazi ukuthi ba-understand into yokubana masenza kanje siyaphuma emthethweni.
Yeah.
Izinto ezifundwayo lezo. Mangabe sizothi masiqeda ukukhuluma neclient mayiqeda uphuma endumbeni yethu bese sihambe thina sikhulume ngenkinga zakhe simhleke. We are going against the law. Asingobalaphi. Confidentiality as we understand. We don't understand that it's important that we keep people's things as secrets. Mangena omunye uthi yo yazi lo bekaphuma la, what if bekambona negate yazi lo bekaphuma la unengculazi or unani. No, you don't say those things. They are between you and your client or you and your patient. I don't like using the word client. Between you and your patient nomguli wakho.
Yeah.
So ezo zinto ezo zizwe ezinokwenza ukuthi abantu baloko beze kuwe because they can see that you are doing things differently. That what sets me apart is that I do a follow up with patients exam. Constantly I'm doing follow-ups with patients exam. Balandelela. That on its own libaso because they can see that they are cared for. And also, look, ungaya kugqirha uphethwe iflu akunika iflu stat. Ipilisi ekuthiwa iflu stat. Ubuye futhi ngoba le flu stat akangincede. Akunike something that is better than iflu stat. Akunike better mox, which is antibiotic. Ngoba iflu stat akange yenza ntoni isebenza. We need to accept that. Ungamnikeza umuntu imithi manje uthola ukuthi ayimsebenzeli. Ngoba uqale with the minimal herbs. Phinde ubuye futhi ngizokunikeza a higher dosage. Into manje seyijule ukwegqitha le buyifumene. Why? Because your problem is escalating. Ingaphezulu kwale mina bengicabanga ukuthi kuyiyo. Be open to that as a healer. Understand ukuthi abantu ungabalapha. Kodwa bangaphinde babuyele kuwe ukuthi cha mkhulu lento ayikhange ngisebenzele. Cela ukuthi sitry okunye. Okuqinisekileyo kuzobuyela kuwe. Ongaqinisekanga nga uzohamba ye kwenye inyanga akukhulume kahle. Athi ha ezazinto zika noma cause vela sisebenzi.
Iqola leli.
Ngenxa yakho. So it's also important mkhulu ithi ngitshela. Nobody is an ocean. You can never operate on your own. If we don't find ourselves mentors in the journey, ugobela uyenzile yakhe indima ugqibile. Akagqibanga phofu because mawunenkinga you've got the right to call ugobela and ask baba or mama. Mangenza kanje mele uthi ngenza kanjani makuqhamuka le problem izongenza kanjani. But no one is an ocean mkhulu. It's important to associate yourself with other people that have indigenous knowledge.
Yeah.
Abantu othola ukuthi ezinye izinto they were healers way back. Kune method abazaziyo wena ongazazi. Nqulumana labo and let your relationships with those people not be friendships. Let it be mentorship. Baba ngabantu abakwazi ukuthi bakusize because if it's friendship it's a problem.
Yeah.
Ngizophinde ngithi kwabalapha abancane abangakangami ngithi ngicela ukuthi do not be friends with healers. Because when a healer does something that is out of line or when a healer goes astray, if that person is your friend, automatically you go astray. But if you treat other healers and sisters and brothers, abantu kwazi ukuthi uthola information kubo, kwazi ukuthi bakukhulise nawe bakukhulise with your knowledge onayo. I-relationship yenu iyiphokophele phambili. Iyaqhubeka. Why? Because niyafundisana. Mkhulu umuntu angaphathwa ilihlo. Sithi thina mele ahlanganise le na le. Omunye umuntu athi mele ahlanganise le na le. There are different ways to kill a cat.
Yeah, ziningi.
Ziningi indidi ngendidi okanye imithi ngemithi esingayisebenzisa mangabe sithi silapha umuntu kwinto thizene emphethe. So people must build such relationships with people. And also mangabe uyinyanga melanga ukuthi ube ngumuntu onamahloni. Mahloni ngakusiza. Angisho ukuthi go out of your character and become umuntu ophaphayo mangabe ungaphaphi. No, angisho kanjalo. But being shy or not exposing yourself to opportunities or not reaching out ebantwini obonayo ukuthi bangakuphokophela phambili.
Yeah.
Uzawuhlala ula.
Ungabi ne pride.
No, pride will not take you anywhere. You must be able to approach people. Yela ngiyabona ukuthi lana mkhulu, hayi mkhulu ngathi igubhu yakwazi ukuyihlanganisa nani. Cela ukuthi ungicephulele nje ulwazi lokuthi kwenziwa kanjani. Yeke uyazi yonke into. Like I'm saying, nobody's an ocean. It's important to build relations with other people. It's important to broaden your knowledge. Your knowledge abanye abantu. Kuthiwa iphondo lomnyanga alugcwali. Day in and day out siyafunda.
Ngizwakala mkhulu. Ulokhu njani yini lekelela umelaphi mkhulu ukuthi abe umelaphi oqotho. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi
kahle kahle ngiyakuthanda ukuthi unibuze leyo nto leyo. Look, ngizomane ngikhuluma ngeBhayibheli.
Yeah.
Ithi iBhayibheli cleanliness is next to godliness. Ukuthi uzilekelele. Ngicabanga ukuthi you are saying in order for a healer to sustain himself or herself, what can they do to sustain yourself?
Yeah.
Mkhulu, there are particular things that you as a person must tell yourself ukuthi le angeke ngiyenze. Ngoba izongcolisa idlozi lami okanye mina izongcolisa. I'm going to touch on an issue that a lot of people don't pay attention to. Having multiple partners, mkhulu, and exchanging energies with people. Ngokwe sizalwane besisithi zi-soul ties.
Yeah.
Kunezinto ozithathayo. When there's that exchange of whatsoever, kunezinto ozizisa kuwe. And if it's different spirits, you are creating a delay empilweni yakho because le mimoya ngemimoya. Labo bantu labo awubazi ukuthi bahlamba ngani benza ntoni nini kanjani nabo bantu. You are making yourself dirty. Uyayingcolisa. Not only are you making yourself dirty, uncosa nedlozi lakho. So you sustain yourself by making the right choices. You understand ukuthi you are a temple of God and therefore umzimba wakho akumelanga ukuthi uloku bumper side to side.
Yeah.
Number 2, you can sustain yourself as a healer. I think I mentioned it with previous question to say associating yourself with the right people. I want to say it again, associating yourself with the right people. You sustain yourself because unabantu okwaziyo ukuthi bazokuqondisa endleleni. Mangabe bebona ukuthi lo muntu uyaphambuka, they will be able to sit you down humbly so to say lapha sicela ukuthi wenze kanje, lapha sicela ukuthi wenze kanje.
Yeah.
You also sustain yourself as a healer mkhulu ngokuthi ube ngumuntu nje ingqondo yakhe ihlala open to learning.
Yeah.
Don't tell yourself that I know. Or don't tell yourself that mina sengiyayazi. There's a wise man who once said, mina mangifika endaweni yemithi mangabe ngibuza ukuthi umuthi othile uyamazi, umsuzwane uyamazi ukuthi wenzani. Ngizothi cha ngimazi. Ngongimazi ukuthi wenzani. Ngizothi cha ngimazi. Why? Because ngifuna ukuva ukuthi lo omunye umuntu uzothi yena umsebenza kanjani.
Okay.
So that mindset, it sustains you as a healer as well. Ikwenza ukuthi ube ngumuntu that always has different methods to different situations. Uyayibona lonto?
Yeah.
So there are many ways that you can sustain yourself as a healer mkhulu. No, constantly mkhulu kunento abantu abangayazi okanye abangayi-understand as healers. Mangabe uzozitshela ukuthi wena mkhulu, just because so unendumba, you are not supposed to have a moment between you and nedlozi lakho, then you are on the wrong track. There are moments where funeka uzilile mkhulu. Ushadanga uzile kube nguwe nedlozi.
Yeah.
Udla amagobo ngokuphakamisa. Uyinyanga ukugobela unjalo. Phakamisa izinto zakho. Phakamisa amadlozi wakho. There are moments where funeka uthathe impepho amakhandlela uhambe yehlanu uyokhuleka ugqoka isambatho sakho uyokhuleka. Uyothatha nezithunywa zentaba uyothatha nezithunywa zamahlathi. Izithunywa zendlela. Angeke uthuma abantwana ukuthi bayoyenza leyo nto leyo wena uyenza nini? There are moments whereby you need to flee away from everyone and from everything and just focus on yourself because mangabe eyakho icup ingagcwelanga ngeke ukwazi ukuthi uzigcwalise ezinye icup. Missed call le mkhulu ngithi mangabe eyakho icup ingagcwelanga you can never be able to fill other cups. So mangabe ufuna usustain as a healer, those principles you must be aware of them. From time to time be in isolation, be on your own. Amanye amaxesha nje faka nje ingoma ezizokwazi zikhuphula umoya wakho in. Yela, you must be always doing something to edify yourself.
Yeah.
And don't be stereotyped. There are so many things that you can do. Inyanga zanamhlanje mkhulu, this goes to myself as well. I feel like the minute samkela ubizo sibona ukuthi endumeni kuyasebenzeka, we become too comfortable. Sikhohle ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasibizelanga only for one purpose. There are so many things that on earth you can do. Some people ngihlala ngithi mkhulu the richest place on earth is the grave. Eyona ndawo inobutyebi kakhulu kusemathuneni. Why? Because apha emathuneni uthola ukuthi kunamaphupho angazange afezekiswe. Kunama decision angazange athathwe. Kunama goal angaze kwafikelelwa kuwo. So refuse to be one of those who will go into the grave not having explored all of your talents. Uyazi ukuthi uphiwe ebunyakeni kulungile, but find something else to do. Look, the earth has so many things, plenty things that a person can do. So let us not be too narrow-minded. Because nento yenza ukuthi manje abalapha bebaningi senza into eyi-once monelani nani. Suppose we've got nothing to do. Sihleli nje sendumeni smile. Angisho ukuthi kurongo, mara have something to do.
Kube nento yenzayo.
Something else that is going to equip you. What story are you going to tell? Ngihlala ngithi mangikhuluma nabantu mkhulu, the day I die, I want people to read books about me. There was a person owayekanje, wayesenza no ya.
Okay.
No ya. And the opportunity ngeke izele kuwe nguyoya kuyo.
Mele
uyilandele. So there are many ways that you can sustain yourself as a healer. Also, ubunyanga mkhulu ufana nebusiness. Kwamanye amaxesha abantu bayangena amaxesha bangena. Let's say you have bills to pay, what do you do? So equipping yourself and sustaining yourself and connecting with the right people iyakunceda leyo nto leyo as a healer. So that you are sustained. Do not solely depend on it. Makube khona ezinye other streams of income. Sebenza ingqondo, uThixo namanyanga bakupha ingqondo.
Hayi cha kezakala mvula hayi cha livuthiwe kuye kuthiwa uphondo lenyanga linjani aliqwali basho njalo abasuthu bathi aliqwala ngithi aliqwali kodwa leli lakho ngathi ligcwele nje
mkhulu soze
information engaka
angeke mkhulu futhi soze ligcwale nakusasa
hayi mkhulu
dingaphuma mkhulu kule building yenu ngiye ngaphandle ngiyitshelwe into engazange ngayizwa ngibuze umuntu ezi questions ongibuze zona zonke anginikeze different
uma ngalo ukuthi
ngithi hayibo ushuthi le bengikhuluma beyingekho kahle
yazi kanti khona
aligcwali soze ligcwale
mkhulu siyabonga kakhulu ngiyacabanga ukuthi okuningi sesithe ukukushaya
makhosi
nangokubuka isikhathi ngiyacabanga ukuthi sikhavile mkhulu ngizocela nje ukuthi mkhulu uvalelise nje mhlambe kubabukeli bakho laba abakulandelayo ngizwe ngathi igama lama client awulithanda thande ngazi noma patient ukwazi ukuthi futhi uvalelise ama patient yakho nakubabukeli beEcoPoint TV abakubukayo nabasazokubuka udlulise nje uvalelisa bese emva lapho ushila ama details futhi again nenkundla zokuxhumana la utholakala khona bese sigoqa
makhosi
thokoza mkhulu
uNdumba Nkulu usemthatha umhawulo kahle ngesixhosa usemthatha kodwa ke ngenxa ngenxa yempilo angenxa yokushada nangenxa yokuthi umuntu usebenzele kwecala isikhathi esiningi I normally say I have two branches eMthatha nala eBenoni umyalezo kahle engifuna ukumshiya kubantu anifuna uthi kwabalaphi kubantu ebantwini ngicela ukuthi sibaninzi sizinyanga we come here to these social platforms and we give you information sinikeze izithembiso sinibonise ngathi the sky is the limit kuningi esikhulumayo kuni kodwa ngicela ukuthi mawungumuntu onendlebe ezakwamoya ngicela ukuthi do not be attracted to what you see don't look at the person and don't listen to what they're saying and make a conclusion that they are the ones that can actually help you through journey yakho listen to your inner man, your instincts mawuzoya enyangeni qala mangabe ukwazi ukunxulumana nabakeni babuze ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngemntwini okanje nakanje are you guys approving or not because sometimes into yenza ukuthi sithole ukuthi abantu abaningi bayaguqula benzana they never got validation from their ancestors or permission yokuthi vele impela lo muntu makaqhubeke nalo muntu we are quick to make decisions without approval so ngicela ukuthi nje masibaningi I'm not the first to be addressing audience zaka EcoPoints baningi but ngicela ukuthi umuntu nomuntu bekhona into oyiqaphulayo kumuntu nomuntu oyaziyo ukuthi izokusebenzela I normally say to my initiates when I give you information in our sessions you take what you think will work for you and you write it down so that you constantly remind yourself ukuthi bekhe kwathiwa kwenziwa kanje. So ngiyacela, don't look at a person's physical appearance and conclude that this person has got all the answers. It's not like that.
Yeah.
It's not like that. So ngicela ukuthi abantu futhi basifundise ukuthi phambi koba umuntu alandele ubunyanga, kusengikhuluma nenyanga manje, suyiziyekela izinto ezihlangane namasiko kokwenu. Amasiko nezithethe abalekile. Amasiko ayamakha umuntu.
Yeah.
Mkhulu yazi ukuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi angazali not because uthakathiwe, but because kunamasiko athile angawenzanga.
Yeah.
EsiXhoseni mangabe intambo enkulu nentambo encane siyacu ungazenzelwanga, iyakwazi ukuvala isibeletho lento leyo ungakwazi ukuthi ube nomntwana. Aphanthile ukuthi uzenzele lezo zinto ezokokwenu. So ngicela ukuthi silandelele amasiko.
Yeah.
Ndingumkhulu uvelile umhlekazi uNomakhosi. Ngiyafumaneka on social media platforms. In most of my social media platforms, ndinguNomakhosi Khanyana Lady Mankai. On Instagram, I'm Dr. Velile Mankai.
Yeah.
Ndifumaneka ku 0788 564242. 0788 564242. Last more time, 0788 564242. Masiphileni sibhekeni phambili. Siyazi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. uNkulunkulu namanyange anibusise kube mnandi, kube kuhle, thokozani.
Kamakwe.
Si.
Thokoza mkhulu. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu mkhulu uvelile ukuthi ufike uzosivakatshela. Wayishiya futhi nenamba zakho nenkundla zokuxhumana. Sesiyaphuma ke manje. Babukele eKhophoni TV. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu besihleleke nomkhokho uvelile nizwile ke bafowethu okuningi uchazile. Asiphathe kahle kulamakhaza asebusika singaqinisezi izingane eziningi ngoba indaba zasebusika. Hayi kodwa ke ngoba uxolane kumfana kambatha ke ushalo indaba ezithu sontshikazi umthiya ushota uMantenda yasinqamsodidla uMandla bana khathezi igcololo umtitwe dakho dakhelo catho subscribe bani babukele bethu esibathandayo subscribe bye bye nisale kahle.